These are my DIY, do-it-yourself, waterproof boxes I made for my air pumps to keep them dry when they're outside when it rains. I'm going to open this up so you can see. There's your air pump inside. I put two half-inch uniseals in it. I put a 1/2-inch PVC pipe in it. Once I drilled the hole and all that on both sides so the air can come in and the air can go out. I ran the tube on the outside right here going out to the manifold that pumps the air into the all the systems with air stones. I got to get this one done next. Then I have about 5 more of these boxes to make. All DIY, do it yourself. This keeps the air pump dry when it rains outside. For people who are asking, that's how I do it. And it's all ran on solar. Everything is ran on solar power, off grid.